Guys, Brian back here. I apologize. I had the volume turned off here. Let's see if we can get it right this time. All right, first we're going to go over bone here. All right, we've been waiting on this thing. It's been piddling around. We're going to take a look at this and see what's going on here, okay? First off, bone Shibaswap price drops despite increase in staking. Bone is the governance token within the SHIB ecosystem. It empowers the SHIB army to participate in voting on forthcoming proposals. As a result, the higher the quantity of Bone Shibaswap a user holds, the greater influence their vote wields in shaping future initiatives. As a result, the Bone token has seen huge adoption lately. Shibarium's latest development has given rise to an increase in Bone staking, reaching over 27.1 million. Additionally, GroveX, an Australian crypto exchange, took to Twitter, took to X, recently to announce that it now supports Bone Shibaswap. Despite these developments, the price of Bone has been on a decline, reaching a low of 81 cents from a high of $1.50 in July. However, price prediction sees Bone trading at a maximum of 210 at the end of 2023. All right, if we go over here to CoinMarketCap, you can see here volumes down 4.87%, 4.6 million, $185 million market cap. Still extremely low. 5x from here puts it at $4 and puts it at $1 billion. That puts it in the top 50. All right, right now it's number 134. Okay, the crypto bubbles. Let's take a look here real quick. Bone, B-O-N-E. Number 150 on here, down 2 spots. Okay, market cap 185 million, 4.6 million in volume. All right, so there you go. There's the bubbles for the day. If we go over here just real quick, we got to highlight some things here because Bitcoin looks like it could be ready, just about ready to make a run here. All right, I want to show you this. It's getting up to a very crucial area. All right, you can see these. This blue line here was support. This one here is resistance now. Look how it hit that perfect. All right, you have your resistance line up here. It was off just a tad up. There we go. All right, it came down through here, multiple touches, and now it hit it. On the daily, Bitcoin is at the top of the daily RSI, but look at this. The weekly is just turning up. All right, so we'll see if it can break this resistance here that it's running into. That would be huge. It still did not make that lower low over here. It's still at a higher low, so technically it's still doing decent here. It's at 27,121. Went down to it was down to right below 25,000 bucks. So starting to get a little bit of a bounce here. We need to see that happen. Bitcoin dominance is up just a hair. You should take a look at that real quick. Yeah, it broke that resistance here. Now it's running into this 50.23. Gonna see if it can break through that or not. The weekly's just restarting on this thing. All right, same thing as Bitcoin itself. The daily. Right at the top. All right, so looks like it might be ready for a run. Now, Bone, this thing, the daily's heading up. Okay, I'm going to show you this here. Down here at the bottom, we're at 27. Okay, no bearish divergence, nothing like that going on here. Our weekly, we have a green weekly candle, and this thing isn't quite reset yet. Okay, we still have a higher low here than over here, which was important. Okay, we didn't want to make a lower low than this over here. That would have been bearish divergence. All right, we have a green weekly candle starting here. This thing is almost ready, man. It's at a 5 and a 17, almost ready to go. All right, did we look at the daily? Yeah, the daily's heading up. The 12-hour kind of getting towards the top, still bullish. 94.4 and a 94.3. All right, you can see this resistance area this thing is in here, kind of starting to wedge up a little bit. All right, the 8-hour, 90 and a 94, a little bearish, still up there where it could. It's not completely turned over though. Could do one of these up there. 4-hour coming down, starting to curve back up. All right, with this weekly, this thing is almost ready to go. All right, it is held solid down here at this area and right on our support. Okay, so it's looking like it hasn't dropped, which is very, it's been down here for how many days now? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. 9 days, and it's held this area. Okay, you can see this drop through here. There was no area through here for a 9-day stretch that it held price like this. All right, I totally believe it's waiting for this weekly RSI, and once that gets reset, you can see. Let me lower this one here. When the weekly is ready, you can see previous things that it did here. This massive blast, this massive blast, and this massive blast. Okay, so this thing is just about reset and ready to go, and this should rip us up there. You know, a breakout of this triangle would put the price up, you know, around $3.50. All right, so we're going to keep an eye on that. Things are looking fine with Mono. All right, guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I would appreciate that so very much. Consider joining the channel membership. You know, got a great group of members in here, and I thank everybody for everything you do. Just watching a video is massive, so thank you so very, very much, everybody. I really mean that from the bottom of my heart. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon.